welcome to the mix. We have Dwayne now on the mix today. Is Dwayne playing a tape? We're talking about the letter that CMR wrote, and there's a bag of things in it. She's saying that the letter was produced by the same person. There's 2 letters out there that was produced by the same person, so she's dissecting that. So go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful day.
I'm gonna start this up. We're gonna start this come on and hear the things them for a reason. Start this up. Come on to hear the things them.
The CMR letter. Let's read the CMR letter, the supposed CMR letter. To Crissy.
Oh, I forgot to put her name in the caption too. I start something about she too.
Listen to the Tabak side. Listen to the CMR. This is getting more and more ridiculous. Listen to this. To Crissy. To Crissy. I am writing this letter to express my deepest apologies for the pain, embarrassment, and hurt that I have publicly caused you. And wait there. You don't realize this are the same verbiage that is used in Shani letter. Them use it in other letter, yeah.
I'm gonna add their names as we go along. Come on, Mr. Oh, I have copy them in the cap.
First, I would have noticed that it's the same grammar.
When them call them thing like caption.
The CMR letter is used in the Shani letter. But I'm gonna read it again. I am writing this message to express my deepest apologies for the pain, embarrassment, and hurt that I have publicly caused you and the entire family. And the same person write both letters. I know that my actions say, listen.
She's basically saying the apology letters was written by the said people and given to both of them to post. As we go along the video, I'm going to stop and talk because I'm going to tell you one more time, I'm not call certain people name in my video because I don't want to, if I call them name to get views, whether they hear them for themselves or they hear them for themselves.
I know that my actions have hurt you.
As we call them,
and
right,
I take deep, full responsible for this. I know this is not an excuse, but what transpired was merely an act of weakness that this is the same This is the same person. The same words. Same everything. Just a different name they attached to it. Lovelet. This is the same person. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put both letters side to side. And I'm going to underline all of the same things. To let them know that this is the same person who wrote this letter. I fully understand that trust is essential to any relationship. The wording of this letter just sound like an old-time Jamaican write this. You know them Jamaican people, they will count them vocabulary. Like them only have a certain amount of vocabulary in them corner. So them just count them vocabulary. This is the same person who wrote this shit. The same person.
She's going to review his music too. CMR music, darlings. I hate that, Chapley, I hate that.
This could not be his.
And that's nothing.
And that's the music he might do all of this excitement for. Eh? This is the music he might do all of this nastiness and excitement for. Eh? No, baby love, you need to go right back to the studio. CMR, this is not all that at all. No, sir. CMR, this you not ready yet. Yes, sir. CMR, go back to school. Stay in school, CMR. Okay? Stay in a school, CMR, and go and study because the music you eat already yet, baby love. It is so not ready. Stay
Actually,
in
you
a
say
school,
it, not me.
and whatever your craft is, where you study plumbing, whatever it is, stay in a school, because you're a little bit too old for them type of music, yeah. You're in your mid-30s. Leave them type of music yeah, for people in them 20s or in them up in them 18, 19.
She just started.
What a lot of Jamaican men don't understand, you know, is that when you touch a certain age, certain things is just not for you. And the public eyes are going to look for you a certain type of way when you do certain type of music when you're a certain type of age. You understand me? So you already in your 30s. You already is an old man, really. And you don't, CMR, you don't really carry the image of an entertainer. I understand you want to break into that field, but you do not carry the image of an entertainer. Me nah lie. You don't have the image. You get me? Number one, you're kind of too chubby. You get me? Number two, you look too proper. You're too well groomed. You're too well shaven. You know, your face clean shave, all of that. You don't look like anybody where you suffer in a life. Most of the good music them come from sufferer, Jamaican sufferer. We can tell them story like Valiant or Skeng or, you know, the whole of them, Intense. Any one of them I'm a love fella. Yeah, them one they can tell a story and put them story in a poetic way where the whole of we can actually dance to it and listen.
Oh, she just
your
started.
Music, CMR, not really music me want to listen to because everybody knows
share the video,
you know,
like and share.
like most Jamaicans. I am not struggling like most
share.
Jamaicans. So really right away that kind of kick you out of that category of music. You understand? Jamaicans like to express themselves musically. Yeah? Because when them in the struggle, that's what them have. You understand? For deal with them struggle. But you, mighty God, right now, when in your nice big house, your family and your kids them, music is not for you, baby love. Stay in college. You hear me, sweetheart? Stay in a college. Because this right here, yeah, like, then something there, you know, listen here. No, that's a no for me right away. My listening ears tell me this is a no. One back to the... No, baby love. No. Let me hear the other one here. Let me see if him have a chance with any one of them here.
She said pussy for the seashore.
No, sir. No, sir. Me I look on him. And I watch the music video and this already yet. No. Something about
no, I laugh.
I don't know if I him
something bad.
Or the whole image of him. You understand? Him no fit the bill at all. Me I tell you. And me a girl who love music. You understand? And
She just started.
I feel looking at the mirror every day. I me look for myself. I me see every day. I me have to wear my girls and my girls. Nah.
Oh Lord.
You need to go back in a school and stay in a school and listen already yet and go to and the two of this and really. No. This is not it right here. You understand me? This is not it right here. I mean, you get a lot of players by your TikTok. Cause somebody, while I was live earlier, somebody sent it to me quickly, so my pocket open. Big up yourself to the person who sent me that a while ago. You know, so I'm gonna start work with my laptop. I now work with one phone no more, you know. Because I love it when I'm on live and people just shoot me something. I'm just open it on my laptop and I can sit down and go to it right away. Yeah, big up to the person who sent me that a while ago. I did read the letter, the full letter.
Oh Lord. I cannot be
I was
bothered.
sweet to know. The whole of them laugh. I was sweet to know. In the morning, yeah. Me and girlfriend, go read them. I could finish read the people them business.
She just started.
While some of our personal life. Wait. Let me go back to the second paragraph. We're reading CMR letter together, okay, before we start with it. I fully understand that trust is essential to any relationship, and I have betrayed your trust. I want you to know that I'm committed to making things right with you.